3 steps for doing it pictorially. Now, first I will show you one example, and then I will have a question answer system and you will earn some more tips. Let me remind you, these tips guys, these tips which I gave you yesterday, please keep them carefully. At the end of the week, you have to collect all the tips you earned and you have to come and give them to me. I will count them according to the number of tips you got, you will get some. Please collect them, keep them carefully, they are very small. End of the week, we all will see how many tips we all got. Okay, so now, the example I am going to take is 4 and 1/4. 4 and 1/4. This is an extraction?
Yes.
We have a whole number part?
Yes.
We have a
Improper fraction.
who said improper? We have a proper fraction part. So totally we have a mixed fraction. Let's see the first step. You guys are going to watch me. Eyes on me please. You guys are going to watch and see how to pictorially represent this. First step. First thing you do. Write it when I say it. Represent the whole number part. Please write this everyone. Represent the whole number part only. If you write it while I am doing it, you will understand better. 4. So if I am saying 4 and 1/4, that means 4 chapatis I am eating fully. I am eating fully 4 chapatis. Yes? Should I shake the whole thing? Yes or no? Yes? Okay. So my first step, has everyone written the first step?
Yes.
Is representing the whole number part pictorially. That's all you have to do. Then go to the proper fraction. Second step, step 2. Proper fraction. Use the same symbol. I'm using a chapati here, a circle. And 1/4. Is that fine? Yes. So my first step was I only drew the whole part. My second step was I went to the proper fraction and I do the proper fraction part. So I represented. Now this is my mixed fraction part. To get the improper fraction part, step 3. Step 3. Everyone clear? First 2 steps?
Yes.
Step 3. I will see how many parts I have divided my proper fraction wala segment into. So this whole, to represent my proper fraction, how many parts have I divided this whole into? In this case, I have divided it into 4 because I want 1/4. So 4. If it was 1/3, I would divide it into 3. If it was 1/3, I would divide it into 3. If it was half, I would divide it into 2 halves. That's it. Right now it's 1/4. So I've divided it into 4 parts. So depending on the third step, I look at my proper fraction. Third step, look at the proper fraction. See the denominator. See how many parts you have to divide depending on this number. So here the number is 4. So I divide all the whole number circles into 4 parts. Clear?
Yes.
Clear? Now tell me, my first step is, can someone stand up, tell me my first step? Yes? Louder, please.
First, represent the whole numbers pictorially.
Okay, thank you. Very good. Second step, someone? Yes, Mohini?
We have to use the same symbol and represent the proper fraction.
Use the same symbol and if anyone hasn't written that, write it. Use the same symbol. Use the same symbol and represent the proper fraction part. Which is what we did here. We used the same symbol of a chapati and we represented the proper fraction of 1/4. Third step. Yes, Deepika.
Look at the denominator and divide all the whole parts.
Very good. If anyone hasn't written that, look at the denominator of the next fraction. Divide the whole part those many times in those many parts. Look at the denominator. Look at the denominator of the mixed fraction and divide this part and divide the whole pictures that you made into those many parts. So that's fine, we've done that. Fourth step. Count the number of parts, not whole. Count the number of parts which are shaded. Count the number of parts. This is one part. Count the number of parts like this which are shaded. So basically it's another way of saying how many 1/4 do we have? Can anyone tell me how many shaded 1/4 do we have? Someone else. Zina, you want to try?
17.
Huh?
17.
17.
17 upon 4.
17. How many shaded 1/4 do we have, Akash? How many shaded parts do we have? These parts. How many like these?
17. This 17.
Come here. Akash will come and show us. Quickly. Just count and show them how many 1/4 we have. Show, just point.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4.
1, 2, 3, 4. पहले तो 60 करेंगे.
वो बोला 16 करेंगे. Then English please. First we will
Multiply by 4 into 4.
multiply 4 into. It's okay. Good try. Multiply 4 into 4 to get
16.
16 and then
Last is 17.
17 and
16 plus 1.
plus 1. So Akash is saying, Akash show them, we have 70 parts because we multiply 4 parts in each circle and there are 4 circles, so 4 into 4.
16.
16, very good. Plus 1 part from this circle. 17. So we get total of 17 parts. And our whole chapati has how many parts?
4.
So the answer will be?
17 upon 4. 17 upon 4.
So what was your fourth step? Count
The number of parts
shaded. Count the number of, thank you Akash.
which are shaded.
Can someone stand up and tell me the fourth step? Yes, please.
Count the number of parts which are shaded.
Okay, can someone repeat the fourth step for me, please? Can you repeat the fourth step? Can you repeat the fourth step? Can you repeat the fourth and we'll wait?
We should see the denominator and divide the parts.
That's not the fourth step. What's your name? Vivek, will you listen next time? Siddharth, he's going to repeat it and then you're going to repeat. Who's read the fourth step right now? Please repeat it for Vivek and we will ask Vivek the fourth step again.
Count the number of parts which are shaded.
Vivek, can you repeat the fourth step?
Count the number of parts which are shaded.
Thank you. Can you write it down right now? Fourth step for everyone. Count the number of shaded parts. Here we got 17.
segment into.